for my assignment 7, we were told to make a program that basically acts as like a social media platform. And for mine, I called it Twidder. And so I'll show you the UML diagram first. So I basically have 4 classes. The main one, user, page, and media. And the media is the one that holds all the data for user and page. So I'll show you in my program that here's the main, and I make a variable for media, and media is all the way at the bottom. So I'll get to that in a bit. So for my first class, I have user, and it stores the name, gender, age, and handle. The handle is basically like the @ sign where other people can follow you and reach you. And I basically just make it a method and create all the getters and setters for it. And then also create another method to give an option to view the profile. So you can view the user's names, view the handle, view everything about the user. And also view what type of post that they have. And gives them an option to add a post if they're the user. And I have another class called page with another method called page, because it also acts as the user, but also is separate because it's a type of page instead of a type of user it is. And it has the same methods in it about view profile, view post, and add post. And here's the whole the class that stores every single piece of the user and the page. So in my class media, I called it media just because it's a type of social media. It starts as size 0 because there's nobody on it yet until you type in the information, which I'll show you in a little bit. But here's the information when you add a user. So when you add a user, it has to be, there can be no more than 5, and that's what that means. And when someone tries to add more than 5, it can't add it because there's only up to 5. And this method called start, it basically shows how many users are there and how many pages, and you can choose an option from the menu which shows all these options right here, and we'll show you all the data in it. And every one user can post up to 3 posts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sample the whole program for you. So I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it. I'll run it. And so basically, right now, Twidder has 0 users and 0 pages. And these are all the options it gives you to start out with. So what I want to do is I'm going to add a new user. So I'm going to press 3, enter. So I have to enter the name. My name's Elisa. I am a female, but I'm going to just put F. I am 21. And my handle, let's just say, there we go. And if I want to make a post, it says, what's on your mind? Enter 1 to add post or 0 to exit. So I'm going to press 1 because I want to add a post. And I can just freely enter my post. And I'm just say, just recording a video, exclamation point. And I'm gonna write end to end because that's what the hints tell me to do. So it says it added the user. So now it gives me the menu options again. So instead of creating a new page, because it does almost the same exact thing, I'm gonna view all the users because I added a user. So I'm gonna press 1, enter, and it shows me like the one user that's here, which is me. And it says enter the amount of users you want to see. I'm gonna just press 1 because that's the only one that's there. And it tells you all the information. So user's name, Elisa, that's my handle, that people can like follow me and everything at. Gender, age, and if I want a viewer post, enter 1. Let's do that because I made a post. And my first post says just recording a video, and it says I could press 9 to go back, so go back, gives me the menu again, and I can do it all over again if I need to. And I'll show that in the next video when I add more to my program.